Good morning and welcome back to Withrow Urban Homestead. Today we're going to decorate the Christmas tree for the birds. I think the birds are ready. Look. We made birdseed ornaments. I'll link that video on how to make those down in the description. But first, let me show you how I set up this tree. The best way I've learned to secure a fresh tree is just to dig a deep hole in the garden. I'm going to measure it and compare it to the tree in the garage. I've tried securing a tree outside with a stand, but this has worked the best. Here's the tree Dale and I cut down together. The one on the front, this is the tree we cut down with the grandkids. They picked a tree with a nice long trunk. This looks perfect. And this tree is smaller, but wow, is it heavy. Dale and I are going to decorate this one today. The front tree is going to be for the birds later. We need to make the ornaments. This is going to be real simple. First, I trimmed any spare branches. And we're just going to bury the trunk up to that first level of branches and pound in the soil. And last year it stayed just fine. It didn't move. Now, I'm going to see if it's straight before we pound it in. It's a little bit crooked, so let's move it just a tad. That looks good. I think it's straight now. I'm going to press in the soil. Make it nice and secure. Now back to decorating the tree. Ornament recipe down in the video description. Looks good. Yeah, that was fun. The birds are going to like this, and the squirrels. Thank you for visiting Withrow Urban Homestead. See you later. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.